Hello, Mr. Smith. How's it going? Thanks for getting in touch with me. I hear that you have a few concerns regarding the usage of Trello, and I'll be welcome to uh, answer them, right? So let me start by answering your second question, right, which is getting these bad reviews on Glassdoor. Okay, so there's two main reasons for this. If you notice, 90% of the bad reviews that we have received is primarily because of two reasons, right? The first one being bad salary, right? That is an that is an absolutely internal thing, right? That has nothing to do with you, and rest assured that our service to you will be impeccable, and they will not be hampered by such kind of things, right? And second reason would be the tough onboarding process, right? I mean, we definitely hire the best of the best people that are available in the market, and our hiring processes are very stringent. So yes, people do complain about the hiring procedures that we're having in our company, right? So none of these things relate to the performance of Trello as a viable product for you and ABC Design Company to use, right? Um, Now let me get to the first question, which is you not getting involved in an annual contract. That is absolutely okay. In fact, Cello is one of the most generous product out there in the market, right? We offer free usage for all of our clients, and we do offer, unlimited storage, unlimited backups, unlimited cards, and things like that, which other companies like Asana do not offer, right? For example, on Asana, you have like just maximum allowed users on the free subscription, but with us, you can create as many as you like. And while we do recommend businesses to at least have the standard, if not the enterprise solution, but I mean that offers more security features. But if you don't wanna have an annual contract, that's absolutely okay, right? You can continue with the free plan. In fact, I also recommend you to try the premium account that has a free plan. And if you don't like it, then we can switch back to the regular free plan, or just continue with whatever you like. And your to answer your third question, I understand that Asana was something that you used, and it does manage project timelines appropriately. But guess what? We have a feature called boards, right? That allows you to manage projects, assign tasks to different people remotely, and also have scheduled milestones with a due date, right? The amount of time, confusion, and in-person hours that Trello reduces is very, very commendable when it comes to Asana and things like that, right? So also you can add multiple assignees to distribute your work like everywhere and to all devices. And additionally, you can um, also have these things synced over on multiple devices. So it's never going to be an issue if people work remotely from any place, any time of the world. The most important thing is that this is very intuitive to non-tech people, right? Because senior management, they might not be tech adept, but with Trello, even the most non-technical person can use this. So yeah, I think I've answered all your questions. If you have any other questions, feel free to message me or send me an email. And yeah, do let me know what the decision you make. I'll be very happy to have you on board with Trello. Thank you. Bye.